I'm Josie Tansom from Eagle Alloys, and we're going to be going over some silver solder today. Grandpa, you got some of that you can show me?
Hi, Jose.
Hi.
Actually, yeah, we have this Eagle 500 FC.
Yep.
You've seen this. You've dealt with this a little bit.
Yeah.
But look at the coating on this. It doesn't come off. This is coated silver.
Mm-hmm.
You know, in the old days, you'd have a piece of silver. You'd have a little container of flux, and you would put some flux and a little bit of silver and flux and silver. This you don't have to.
Yeah.
It's all right here.
Mm-hmm.
And the flux doesn't come off the electrode if you don't use it immediately. You can put it on the shelf, bring it out whenever you need it, and the flux stays on it.
Yeah.
And that's really important because when you use silver, you want to be able to set the tone as to what's going to happen with it. So basically, when we're heating up a piece of material to silver solder, once the actual flux on the rod starts to melt, that's telling you that right behind it, the silver is going to come with it.
Right.
And it'll just follow wherever that flux goes. It's about 56% silver.
Yeah, it's also non-carcinogenic. It's a cadmium-free flux.
That's right, too. Cadmium in the old days was used in silver solder, and cadmium would help in the aid of making it flow properly. So it was a very common used product. The only problem with it is it's very carcinogenic. We're going to fire up a regular torch with oxyacetylene, set up a nice calm carburizing flame, heating up this little piece of material here. In fact, we'll get you to do that, Josie. I'm just going to kind of get this fired up and help you with it.
Sweet.
And we'll see how easy this flows. It's 120,000 psi. It's got all kinds of strength, but I think the way it flows is the trick to this whole thing.
Awesome.
And one thing about silver soldering, you do have to have a relatively good oxyacetylene torch. You should use oxygen and acetylene. You can use other gases. By far, oxyacetylene is the cleanest.
Yes.
It doesn't leave a residue of any oils or such.
Nice.
So now we got a nice soft flame there. So Josie, if you just want to heat that up back and forth a little bit,
Sure.
to take the chill out of it, heat that whole joint up because that's where the silver is going to go.
Okay.
So once you start to add this, it's going to want to take off.
Yeah.
A little slower. Just keep moving it. See, you got a big piece broke off down there?
Yeah.
Okay, if you go over that a little bit, back and forth, it'll see it sweat out? Oh, gone. So if you do that, it's not a problem. The silver really and stainless steel really work well together, and copper and brass. That's it. We sweated in the silver solder.
That looks pretty awesome.
Yeah, but that's the two sides you get. So when you do this side and you get that nice flow, once it starts to go, it's almost like then you push the silver and the torch at the same time. This is with the flux on it before we clean it. On this side here is showing you the penetration. Yeah, it's pretty. Let me just put this under water and get it to shine up on its own.